Welcome to this short video about a new radar precipitation sensor WS100. Within the next 5 minutes you will learn more about the smart sensor. Our technology expert Manuel Kreisig will give you a better understanding of the technology behind this new product.
Hello also from my side and welcome. So first I want to show you some key words and also key information about the new WS100. First of all, we have of course a unique selling point here, which is the maintenance-free operation of the WS100. So of course this is an important fact here, because normally if you talk about precipitation sensors, maybe you know that anyway, so that you have to check them in a different cycle, you have to clean them maybe. There are no moving parts here on the WS100, so there is no need to go there and do something. So that means normally you install it, you configure the sensor, you check the sensor, and then of course you can leave the sensor alone and the sensor will start to measure and give you reliable data. So that's the nice thing here of the WS100. But of course there are also some other benefits here. First of all, we have direct dome heating. Also, we use a lens inside to focus the measuring beam. We have extremely fast measurement, so that means beginning with the first drop of the precipitation event, the sensor will be able to detect this. Of course, a special thing of the sensor also is the precipitation type detection. So the sensor itself is able to detect rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain, hail. Because the WS100 is now also part of the WS sensor series, we have also integrated the standard interfaces here. Normally we use our RS485 interface to connect the sensor here with a special Lufft protocol called UMB, but you can also choose other ones like SDI12, Modbus, and so on. At the end, we have an optimized power consumption for the WS100, and for all the people who want to use the WS100 also solar powered, also this is possible now because we have integrated a special eco mode. So we have the technical data table here. I don't want to talk a lot about this one. Anyway, you can check that in the WS100 manual. Maybe some parts on the left, we have the interfaces again for data transfer. So we have the RS485 semi-duplex interface, 2 wires that. We have in addition the possibility to connect the sensor in SDI12, in UMB, of course in Modbus, and that's also an extra thing. There is also an analog output. That means the sensor will also be able to give you a pulse signal here, so you can also connect the sensor directly, for example, to a data logger with an analog connection type. So you see the sensor here lying on the table, and you see my hand, so you see that the sensor is not very big, right? So my hand is not big and the sensor is also not very big, so it's a really smart small sensor. You can connect this sensor to a pole, and we have the fixing adapter here. That's the standard fixing adapter for the WS sensors we use for all the different WS sensor types, and the pole diameter which can be used with this adapter is between 60 and 76 millimeters. If you want to fasten the sensor, you can use a standard wrench type with the size 13 here, and so you can of course use it and fix the sensor easily to the pole. And here, covered by the yellow cap here, you see the connector. So that means you can connect the original WS sensor cable to the WS100 here through this connector, and then you can start to install the sensor, to configure the sensor. So it's really an easy thing here.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website at lufft.com or contact us.